welcome to Lady Started Podcast, Two Besties Talk Show. I'm Yake and we have Jay with us. So Jay, how are you doing?
Hey Kay, it's been so long. How are you? I'm good.
I'm good. So right now, it's a summertime. So how is your summer, by the way?
Summer is hot as usual.
Do you like
Well,
summer,
come
Jay?
on.
Do you like
Uh,
summer?
Not so really because it's so hot, and during summer it feels like I can't go out. I can't,
Mm.
you know, like even I can't go for shopping because it's too hot nowadays. What do you think? Do you like summer?
It depends. Right now, I'm in UK. So in UK, I really like summer because it's nice. I'm not a big fan of winter season because it's very cold always. You have to wear a jacket wherever you go. So in summer you can just wear like a nice outfit, whatever you want. So yeah, I like summer.
Yeah, I get
Also,
it.
if you go out, it's not really humidity, like it's not really hot. Um, there is
So
a wind.
basically,
There
the
is
humidity is low there.
yeah,
Okay.
it's really good. So yeah, so
So
do you have
basically, in
any
the
news to?
place. Wait, let me complete this and then you
Mm,
can ask
okay,
about.
okay, yeah,
So
yeah.
basically, the place where I live, humidity is at peaks, is what I feel like. So I'm not
Yeah.
really thinking of going out anywhere during summer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, do you like to eat mango during summertime?
Yeah, I'm having one mango every day.
I love mango during summertime. So yeah. So Jay,
Yeah.
did you read any
Yeah,
story
so
from
so
Reddit?
basically, yeah, so basically the other day I told you about a story, right? Like I didn't
Mm-hmm.
explain you clearly because I
Mm-hmm.
thought like I should tell about that story while we are recording our podcast so that
Mm-hmm.
it can be raw and real. So
True.
basically, yeah, so basically I read this particular story on Reddit. So I thought like, after reading, I thought like, I should share this story with you and our audience as well. So, are you ready?
I'm intrigued to know about this.
Okay, so let me let me just read through this post. Okay, so basically it's a rant. Okay, so basically it's a rant from 25-year-old male. Okay, so we are going to
Mm-hmm.
read this whole we are going to like literally visualize from the point of view of that guy. Okay, so
So
yeah, the
the
story.
POV is going to be from his side.
Yeah, okay. So the story goes like this. I, 25-year-old male, cancelled the trip to see her 25-year-old female for the first time.
Okay.
Long story short, sorry, long story short, I cancelled
Mm-hmm.
a trip to meet her for the first time because I felt I wouldn't get to see her enough. Oh God,
Whoa.
if there is if there is a guy who would cancel a trip, I think like
To
he
see,
is some
it's a forest.
yeah, he's a Amazon forest for me. So yeah, let me continue.
No, I said hi.
Okay, fine.
Hi to that guy.
Okay. So yeah, hi to that guy. So these kind of men still exist. Okay, now she has pretty much ended things because of it. So sorry for the rant. I think like
Okay.
do girls even end things because the guy is giving priority. Oh god. Okay, let's read it further.
Yeah.
So she is from Azerbaijan. I don't know whether I am pronouncing it
Az
right.
Az Azerbaijan?
Azerbaijan. Okay, Azerbaijan.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's
Yeah.
from Azerbaijan
Yeah.
and I am from the US. We have known each other online for over 4 years. We never really considered dating each until about 6 months ago when we finally planned a trip to meet and I would stay in her country for 1 week. What do you think, Kay?
Wow. Wow. Okay. Interesting.
Hmm. So
Go
we
on.
were both super excited. I got my passport, visa, and everything booked. About 2 weeks
Oh, this guy
ago,
is from so
yeah, he's
this
from
guy is from
US.
US
Yeah,
and then he don't have a passport? Anyway,
I
whatever.
think like
Yeah.
see,
Continue.
no, maybe. So if he is in US, he can't live in US without passport. Is there any such rule like that?
No, I'm just
Then
like, here's the thing. No, here's the thing. I always assume like people in Europe, UK,
Mhm.
USA, Australia, Canada,
Okay.
whatever country they are
Okay.
in. I always think like the basic necessity, the
Bro,
identification
we are actually
is
not bothered about your assumptions, presumptions, or whatever. Okay. Let me continue
basic
this story.
identification is
Okay,
passport.
having a
That's what
passport.
I always think.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Continue.
So, about 2 weeks ago, we were discussing the trip which I would have left last Friday for. She was telling me what all we would see and what I could do when she was at work. Mm. I questioned
Hmm.
if she was taking any time off because she works 9 hours, but she said she couldn't. Did you understand anything
Oh.
like what he is trying to say? By the way,
Yeah,
guys,
I feel.
let me tell you
Mm.
something. Even I just read first two paragraphs of this post and I thought like, okay, let me just share it with you guys. But I haven't read it till the end. But let's see how it goes. But Kay, what do you think till now? How is it going?
He sounds like he's very passionate about this girl,
Hmm.
but
Okay.
he's not sure at the same time because from her side, she's not being indecisive. She is just being like very strong since it's a long distance relationship.
Hmm.
So, yeah, just go ahead, tell me more. So, by the way, guys, Jay, let me stop you from
Yeah,
reading
yeah, yeah.
reading the story. So, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Like if you like this podcast. Come and just give us your opinion, what you think, what you like about our podcast. If you don't like anything, just give us some
You can just comment
constructive,
about, yeah,
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 constructive
feedback.
comments. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then if you really like this podcast and you want to keep supporting us, just subscribe. Also, we really want you to subscribe. Not just if you like it, we really
Because
want you
this
to
will,
subscribe.
yeah, because this will encourage us to do more such content, and it will also encourage us to keep motivating you. Sorry, keep entertaining you. Why did
Yeah.
I tell motivating you?
What do
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah,
So
keep entertaining you.
yeah.
Go
So
on.
let me continue now. Enough stopping me.
Yeah.
So yeah, I questioned if she was taking any time off because she works 9 hours Monday to Friday, but she said she couldn't. She reminded me that she had told me this before, and to be fair, she was correct, but I must have not grasped it at the time. Still, I will take the blame but it was not my intention for majority of the trip for me to spend by myself. Here,
Okay.
I literally feel confusing. Like, what's
Yeah.
happening? What's happening? Okay, let
Oh,
me just go through.
yeah. Mhm.
Okay. Okay, the next para goes like this. She would also have to be back home around 9 p.m. because she still lives with her parents. So we would only get to spend not even 4 hours together most days. I just didn't know what I would do the other 12 waking hours by myself. I was excited to see Baku. I think this girl's
Baku.
name is Baku. Okay,
Baku. See,
Baku.
here's the
Maybe.
thing, big man. Here's the thing. He is
Okay.
in a relationship with a girl in another world. Like
In
different,
another
like
world,
in
I mean,
not
in the
another
other world.
world. When I say
Okay, maybe
when I
other
say
world,
another
planet
world,
planet AD 6925, something like that.
no, no.
Okay,
When
there
I
is no
when
such
I
planet. I was just kidding. Okay, what do
when
you
I say
mean?
when I say another planet, I mean like she's like living in a different part of world. Like she's living in a different state,
Maybe
different
you mean,
country. There
yeah,
is a
you
like a
mean,
time. Yeah,
yeah, time
there is.
difference, long
Yeah,
distance.
yeah. So if you're going to be in a long distance relationship, I would say like try to be in a long distance relationship if you can travel there in 13 hours or 14 hours, or like the time difference is
Bro, you don't
5
have to
hours.
advise, girl. You don't have to advise
Ay,
because end of
true.
the day, it's their opinion. Okay, it's their interest. See, the thing is, here is the thing. Okay, if you're opting for long distance relationship stuff, then just make sure that you're committed to each other. That's
Yeah. Okay, go on. But I feel
it.
like this guy is wasting his time. Yeah, go on then.
Okay. So yeah, I was excited to see Baku, but I don't think it's the best place for a lone noise traveler. What is he trying to tell? Oh God. Best. I don't think it's the best place for a lone nice traveler who only speaks English. At least we will have the weekend for some
Wait, she
decent
don't
time.
speak English?
He only speaks English. He doesn't know
Oh,
any
okay,
other
okay.
language.
Oh, okay, okay, cool, cool. I thought
Okay.
she don't speak English.
If
Okay,
she
cool.
doesn't
Yeah.
speak English, and how will she?
How will they
Yeah,
communicate? And
things work, right? Yeah.
yeah, true.
At
Anyway,
least, yeah,
continue.
yeah. At least we'll have the weekend for some decent time. I thought I would have arrived last Saturday at noon. 20 plus hours flight journey. It seems. Oh God. Like
20.
really, yeah, 20 plus hours flight journey.
My
Wow.
God. I was gonna
He's a
say a
forest,
bad
huh?
word, but like I was gonna say a bad word, but like I don't want to say it because since our podcast is what PG-16, so I just want to keep it like U rated.
Mm-hmm.
So clean and U rated.
Hmm.
So yeah, go on.
So yeah, uh, yeah. After like Saturday noon, 20 plus hours flight. But a few days before, she mentioned she wouldn't be able to meet me for some family reason. She couldn't miss, and she was sorry. And possibly not until,
Mm-hmm.
and possibly
So
not
guys,
un.
hold on, Jay. Hold
Okay.
on.
Okay.
It's a subscription time. Guys, if you are listening this far, please subscribe to our podcast. It will keep us motivated and encourage us, and we can also entertain you at the same time. So please subscribe and give us a constructive comments. So yeah, thank you. Jay, continue.
Yeah, let me resume
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Okay, so like let me just sum up what happened. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because there is a break in between because you wanted me to hold. So yeah,
Yeah.
so guys, the story we are listening to is of a guy,
Mm-hmm.
25-year-old male who has traveled to see his long distance girlfriend,
Girlfriend.
and till now, after reading this story, what we feel, we in the sense me and Jay feel, is that
Jay, you're
this.
just calling yourself Jay.
Oh, sorry, me and K. Okay, something has
Me and Jay.
happened. Okay, so me and K, we think that the guy is putting maximum efforts, and there is no reciprocity of efforts from this girl's side. So this is long story short, and let me continue now what happened next.
Yeah.
So this guy basically traveled 20 plus hours to see his long distance girlfriend, and his girlfriend missed to meet him, and the story goes like this. She was super upset, saying she is embarrassed because she had things planned and has to now tell her family and friends I wasn't coming. I told her I will reschedule another, but first we need to find a better time that will work for both of us. But she said it made her lose all desire for us. I wasn't expecting to be with her 24 by 7, but come only a few hours every day I am there. I would almost spend more time on the plane ride there than I would be with her for a whole week. Oh god, Ross. Like,
Then I
really?
would be there
Yeah.
for a whole week. Oh my god, I would spend more time on flight. That feels sad. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
why did you take a effort to go there all the
No,
way?
the thing is
And
like this guy. No, see, it's clearly showing now. Like, I think like he came to know all this. Like, his girlfriend is not putting much effort.
effort.
Maybe, yeah, much effort. Maybe after coming there, did he reach there?
But yeah, but like I feel very sad for him because like he took a 20 hours flight and then he must have had a transit and then he was waiting and then he was excited to see her and then all he get is like zero effort. That's a really sad thing. But like these guys would definitely deserve so much.
Best of the best girls. Sorry, girl, not girls.
Go.
So yeah,
He's gonna be like a playboy in a Playboy magazine.
he gonna be in a
So yeah,
playground with girls filled in it.
Jay, what was that?
Okay,
Keep in
some
your
rubbish.
mind.
Some rubbish.
Our podcast, our podcast is U-rated.
Okay, I get it. Okay, let me continue now.
Yeah.
So yeah, I know she had stuff planned, and it was sort of last minute cancellation. But wouldn't it be better to wait for us to have more time together? I could only do this trip once this year. She sees it as a big betrayal, and I understand, but she doesn't seem to get my reasoning. Was I
Okay.
overthinking or expecting too much time from her? So, this is his question. So, basically, this is a rant, okay? So,
I don't think
see,
so. He's expecting too much.
definitely he's
All,
not.
all, but like you have to think like this, Jay. We don't know what that girl is thinking. We don't know what her story. But like whatever we see, whatever we read or we heard from his point of view, I would say he is not expecting too much. He's not expecting too much. He's just expecting minimum, basic, basic. I don't know why I did that. Anyway,
Yeah, even
uh,
I feel like because this guy really deserve, yeah. Because see, he is traveling for 20 plus hours, and if he is not getting at least the bare minimum, then what's the point in staying in that relationship? Dude, you need to
true,
find the best girl for you.
true.
Yeah.
Have fun, broski.
What was that? What was that?
Broski.
What does it
I
mean?
like
Like, okay.
broski. It's like bro,
Mhm.
and then
Okay.
yeah, that's it. Like how we say
See,
dude. So it's like one of those words, broski.
okay. Actually, I have another story, but I think I want to make another podcast for
Mm.
that because it's such a cute story. Okay, so the title is "My Boyfriend
Mm-hmm.
Has Become a Big Baby." Okay, it's a rant again, but I think it's going to be some cute rant
Mm.
maybe. Okay, I haven't read it completely, but let's see. Okay, I'll share about that story in next podcast.
So yeah, thank you for listening to our podcast, guys. Let us know what you think. Please give us a constructive criticism and nice comments as well if you like. Please don't leave us a bad comment, and like, share to all your friends. I hope you all
And
like it. And
also subscribe to this channel because we came to know that many people are watching many people are really watching our podcast, but they are not really subscribing. So if you subscribe to our channel, it will be a big motivation for us to do more such content and entertain you guys. So please like, share and subscribe.
subscribe, guys. Subscribe.
What was that? Really unnecessary, I feel. Okay.
Hey, have you not heard about this?
No,
Sapakarab? Hey, there is a
maybe.
one little kid. He's
Okay.
on YouTube. He really struggled to say subscribe, so he goes like sapakarabs
Okay, let's
like
not
that.
both our
Anyway,
audience
guys,
because it
let's
would be cute
yeah.